Good evening, Facebook, YouTube. This is Terry, the Teddy Bear Trucker, signing on once again to let you know about Schneider National's training, week 3, day 3. So today we had our final exams on trip planning in the morning. Happy to say I passed my final with 100% accuracy. After that, we had briefings on per diem, which was actually quite informative. It's been changed a little bit since was last driving the tractor trailer 8 years ago, among other things, to say the least. But I think the per diem will actually work in my favor with my current circumstances, so I was happy to learn about that. We also had another briefing from the officer of safety, the head officer of safety and training here in Carlisle, which was informative. A lot of the stuff that I knew already, but one of the things that was enlightening was Schneider's policy on basically zero tolerance terminations. There's certain things that Schneider will not hesitate to terminate you for. So that was a good briefing to get through. So I know the things I absolutely cannot do as long as I work for Schneider. After that, we had briefings on the maintenance program, basically the maintenance team telling us how they operate the shops, how they perform maintenance PMs at 25,000 and 75,000 miles, and the procedures to get things worked on from the shop. We got briefings on what components we could put in the truck and which ones we couldn't. How we can get an inverter up to 200 watts. We can have TVs and a game system in the trucks if we want one. So that's cool, because if I'm on the road and taking my 34-hour reset, I need my PlayStation. So that was awesome. After that, we continued our computer-based training. I had to schlep through the hazmat course. It's like 6 different modules, ranging from anywhere from 35 to 45 minutes apiece, and they are boring, but they're very informative. But the main takeaway that I got from doing them is that I never want to haul a hazmat load. It's just too much responsibility, and they don't pay you enough to take on all the risk that involves in hauling a hazmat load. So I do not see myself hauling hazmat in the future anytime soon. After that, we had our break for lunch. It was cut short to only 30 minutes today because of all the briefings that we had to get through. We actually will begin our final testing tomorrow, but the class is so big they're gonna have to split it up between Thursday and Friday. I'm hoping that I'm one of the ones that can take my final tomorrow, because at this point I am mentally exhausted and just ready to just get this over with. The final exam consists of putting together everything that we've learned over the last 3 weeks. We're going to be tested on our pre-trip inspections, post-trip inspections, coupling, uncoupling, air brakes test, a road test incorporating a load, not a real load, but rather a practice load where we have to actually follow the directions on the Qualcomm pickup, delivery, and return it back to the terminal, as well as the electronic workflow, the paperwork in the Qualcomm for that load. And then finally, we'll be tested on a backing, our 45-degree alley dock backing. And hopefully I'll be able to do that tomorrow, so I can finish everything else that I have to do, and hopefully meet my DBL, my driver business leader, and find out if I'm going to be able to get a load going home or if I have to travel to go get my truck. So I'm praying on it, and I'll thank you guys again for all the support, all your well wishes. It really has helped keep me motivated and kept me focused and on track for what I have to do. Missing my family again, missing my friends. Looking forward to seeing them. I'm pretty sure my mailbox is overflowing right now. So I got to get home and make sure everything is in order. Hopefully file my taxes. If I can get home by Monday or Tuesday, I'll be happy with that. So looking forward to tomorrow. Hoping that I can, like I said, qualify and finish testing everything tomorrow. Hopefully not have to wait till Friday. And the only other thing I have to do is complete one more module of the computer-based training on the new Cascadias that Schneider has, meet my DBL, and make my arrangements to either get a load going home, go home and then come back and get my truck, or travel to get my truck. Hopefully they'll be able to give me a rental car if I have to travel to get my truck, so I don't have to ride the Greyhound again, because I'm not a fan. But thank you again, everybody, and I'll let you know how it goes as soon as I finish my final qualification testing. So until then, this is Terry, the Teddy Bear Trucker, signing out.